Today's video, we are going to solve this expression, which includes addition, 2 parentheses, subtraction, and division. So make sure to watch till the end because you'll discover the one mistake where 99% of students fail. Most students make the mistake of solving the expression one by one from left to right, and as a result, they end up getting the wrong answer. The reason is that they forget the order of operations, which we call PEMDAS, according to PEMDAS. First, solve parentheses, then exponents after that, division and multiplication, and finally, addition and subtraction. But remember one important thing. Division and multiplication always work from left to right, and the same rule applies to addition and subtraction. So now, let's solve this expression step by step using PEMDAS rules and find out the correct answer at the end. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment your answer below.